Hello everybody, welcome back to another latest brand video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your payment method was declined on your app store on your iPhone and iPads iOS 14 and 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. So many Apple users are facing this problem while downloading or updating the apps from the app store. So how to fix this issue? Just go back to your home screen. So guys, make sure that your credit card expiry date is still here. If your credit card has been expired, then you may face this problem. So I have three methods to solve this problem. So for the first method, what you have to do is just open settings app on your device and then tap here on Apple ID profile, and from here scroll it down, and here is the sign out. So sign out your Apple ID from here and turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it on again, and then sign in your Apple ID, and this trick may solve your problem as well. So if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the second one. So for that, again open settings app on your device and then scroll it down and tap here on general. Again scroll it down and tap here on reset, and here is the reset network settings. So there may be network issue, so reset your network settings from here. So tap it and enter your passcode here, and now confirm the process and tap here on reset network settings again and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the third and final and important one. For that, what you have to do is just again open settings app and then tap here on Apple ID profile, and now tap on media and purchases, and now tap on view account, and now scroll it down, and here is the purchase history. So tap it, and from here make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, please remove them or pay for them, and then go back and tap on manage payments, and from here tap on Apple ID profile name, and here what you have to do is just whether you have put the correct information about your credit card and you have put the correct zip code for your state, and if you have already put the correct one, then update it and then tap on done, and then go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. So if the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, let me tell on the comment. I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.